Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a couple of stocks in our portfolio, one that's undervalued, one that's flirting with undervalued territory, and one that could be pulling back a little bit further, maybe tomorrow into Monday, and could provide some good buying opportunities. Just to reiterate, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. We're currently at 552 subscribers, guys, on our journey to 1,000. So think about it. If 552 people on this channel just emailed this link to one friend and said, hey, you owe me a favor, subscribe to this guy's channel, we'd be at 1,000 subscribers tomorrow. Okay, just joking, but not really. If you want to do that, I wouldn't be mad at you. So anyway, guys, we'll dive into the charts, look at a couple of stocks, and talk about some key support and resistance levels. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, so the first one that's undervalued is GNOG. We talked about this on our watch list for Sunday night stock pick video. We also talked about this on our update last night, and we are in undervalued territory. So it may go a little bit lower, but overall I can see this thing popping up and going above 1357 and trading sideways, to be honest with you, maybe for a week or so until popping back up, $14, $15 or so. So right now it is undervalued. So if you guys are, any of you swing traders out there that you want to make a quick profit, now wouldn't be a bad time. First thing in the morning, go ahead and load the boat on this little bad boy here. Let it pop up $1, $1.50, cash out, because I'm sure it'll either trade sideways or, come straight back down again. I don't know when this thing's going to pop or not, but anyway, that's a good entry point there. So that one is undervalued. Our next stock that is heading towards undervalued territory is IQST. Okay, so we talked about support levels of 47 cents, and I think it's going to get there, guys. I think we're going to continuously come down, get into undervalued territories, and I think that we're going to bounce off of that and come back and maybe trade sideways at 47 to 55 cents. That wouldn't be terrible if we kind of stood in this little channel here and maybe consolidated before we moved up. But I do see it coming down to about that 47, 45 cents. And this is really where you would like to buy anyway. If you're a longer term player and you're trying to establish your position, that's what I'm doing. Every time we hit a support level, I'm buying. So we hit a support level at like 80 something cents, or I think it was 80, yeah, 80 cents. I bought around there about, I think 77 cents actually is where I bought, and started my position off buying at $1, then bought more at 77, and then it's keeps coming down. So I'm going to buy again at 47, and if for some reason we fall all the way down to 6 cents, I'll buy more there, and I'll just hold my position out and average down a ton until it starts to act right. But I really think that we're going to hit that 47 cents and find good support here at this level before making our move back up to the upside. Okay. And last but certainly not least, ZNOG, Z Dizzle My Nizzle. Okay, we're seeing a pullback here, guys. We could go down and retest that 47 cent mark, but similar to IQST, I can see us bouncing off of that hard, just like we did here. But we may not get that low. Okay, if history repeats itself, if you look back, over here, back in September, we came up, had a good little run similar to what we just had here, and we sold off for basically about a month. It was a really small and slow, steady sell off, and then we just like exploded. Okay, and I really don't remember exactly why uh, we had that big push up. But let's take a look a little bit closer at this here. So we had some pretty big candles, some pretty big selling off here. Got all the way up to 80, about 80 cents, and it pushed back down to about 60 cents. So basically right there, I mean, if you got in here at 47 cents and you rode it up to 80, then that's a heck of a payday depending on how much money you put in. I mean, it got all the way down to 38 cents at one time. So if you think about it, some people got in here at 38 and rode that bad boy up all the way up. And when it hit there, they were out. I mean, made their 100% and got out. So I think we can for sure pull back to about that 60-cent mark for sure. And if we get below that 60-cent mark, then I can see us coming down and retesting that 47 cents. But it would be really great if we came down at that 60-cent mark and then came back and bounced up and busted through that 74-cent mark. But we had a really good run here. We just got to hold support above that 74 or 75-cent mark to basically confirm a reversal and go back and test that dollar mark that we were at some point last year. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.